Welcome to the Art Lady channel. Today I'm just going to show you a newly planted carding mill. This is an own root carding mill plant by David Austin, and it's been flowering for about 2 weeks now. It's a 3-month-old plant, and it varies from light peach. It's got a little yellow center, a really symmetrical radial kind of pointed petal of the flower. The new bloom is a little bit more intense. I like the little orange on this one in the center. They don't all do that. That's just a little variant. And then as it ages, it turns a little bit lighter pink. And it seems like when it opens, it goes very quickly from a bud to fully opened. It doesn't seem to go in slow stages. It just seems to kind of pop open. This does seem to be, and it's probably because it's an own root, a slow grower. This is only about a foot and a half tall, whereas some of my other David Austins are already almost 3.5 feet tall, planted at the same time. But it is, like I said, an own root. It's carding mill. I have it planted in a really huge pot. Real pretty color. Peachy pink. Most of the tips do have buds forming. I hope this gives you an idea of what to expect with the carding mill own root plant by David Austin. Here she is in July, 2 months later. So she's 5 months old. And for the rest of the summer, she was a very good repeat blooming rose, just continually throwing out new flowers for the majority of the summer. It seemed like the heat didn't really bother her. Her flowers were a little bit small, but I think that's due to her being so young as well. Around September, toward the end of September, October, she did lose some of her leaves, and I trimmed her back a bit, and she's doing a new flush of a few very, very small flowers right now, and that is in December. She remained throughout the summer a small, compact, tidy bush, no bigger than 3 feet tall. I do want to mention that David Austin doesn't recommend placing flowers in with the roses. For example, in this pot, there's impatiens with the roses, but I do that just because I don't like having a bare pot and it kind of spills over, and I do not leave them in permanently. I have since removed the impatiens. Once the rose gets big enough, I do that. So that's how she performed her first season in Central Florida. zone 9, between zone 9A and zone 9B.